Hey everyone, it's your good friend over here at Blue Cow Marketing. It's Sean Wynot. And you know, we all love Instagram, right? We love the videos, we love the images, but sometimes with our workflow in our business, when we're creating some really great graphics that are on our desktop computer using programs like Photoshop or any other video editing software, it's really not that convenient to get it onto the platform because it is mainly controlled by mobile. So you either got to get it onto your phone and then you're going to upload it there. So what I want to share with you today is a Chrome extension browser plugin called Desktop for Instagram. Now, I'm going to go ahead and put the link to this in the comments for this video or in the post where you're seeing it so you can go right to it. So let's go ahead. We're going to add this to Chrome right now. I'm going to walk you through how this all works. So the idea behind this is it is a desktop version of Instagram. So we're going to click on it, and it's going to say Desktop for Instagram loading. There we go. Now I'm just going to turn on my notifications. It allows me to actually use Instagram as if I'm on a mobile device, but now I'm doing it on my computer. So here's what's really cool with this. If we want to go ahead and add a post, we can go ahead and click on the plus button, and then we can go ahead and find an image. So let me go ahead and I'm just going to grab an image from my library here of business quotes. Let's just pick one here. It doesn't matter which one. There we go. Success has no age limit. All right, so there we go. I'm going to go ahead and click next. Going to write a little caption. How old were you when you finally felt successful? Okay, so I'm going to go do that, and I'm going to go ahead and click share. And just like that, it is sharing it out to my Instagram, all done right here on my desktop. Now, on the right-hand side, you can also upload video to IGTV, which is Instagram TV. So you've got a lot of options in here. The other thing you can also do is you can scroll through your Instagram right now, and you can see posts that you want to see here, right? So there's double click, just like you were tapping, does the like. You can also download the images, which you couldn't do from the app that easily. Actually, I don't even know if you can do it from the app, but now you could. If you see a great quote on there that you want to kind of borrow, quote, you can go ahead and do that by clicking the download button with this. This is a great plugin. It's in your browser, and if you log in and sign in with your browser, then no matter what device you are on that uses Chrome and you're signed in, that plugin's going to come along with you. So this is a great little tool to add to your marketing toolbox for your business. So check it out. Desktop for Instagram, helping you be more productive running and growing your business. So if you like what you see here, I urge you to go over to our website, bluecowmarketing.ca, or find us on Facebook, Instagram, all your favorite social media channels. I'd love to hear from you. Take care and have fun growing your business.